some of your videos. Okay, good morning. Sorry for the hiccup with the stream, but we're still before the London Open. Let's see what we're doing. Let's see what we're doing here. Yesterday, wow, it was crazy. And it's important to notice this mid-level of the fair value gap from the daily. Camille is here. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Camille. You get the first applause because you're the first here. Congratulations there, Camille. You know the drill. Just push the like. Welcome. Good to see you. How was your day yesterday and how is your morning? So, look at this. Almost went down. Yesterday's daily candle. This is the daily chart again. Yesterday's daily candle almost went down to the midpoint, the mid threshold of this fair value gap. So it was quite interesting to see. And now, if we go back to the 1 hour chart, I do have some markups still left there. Although I'm gonna delete some stuff which is not necessary here. Okay, some intraday markups there. Okay, so now what we can see is we have a bullish market structure shift on the 1 hour, and I do like that. Bullish market structure shift. I really love this scenario. We have buy side here. Is a good target for liquidity. And what else do we have? I'm going to, let's see that. 1 hour market structure shift, bullish market structure shift. Let's do it that way. Okay. So with that in mind, if this hour closes above here, I would love to see a retracement to the inside of this 1 hour fair value gap, or BC, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. One hour BC. Slash fair value gap. All right. Zoltán Bolo, good morning, good morning. Or I should say jó reggelt. Fellow Hungarian here on the stream. So I think I'm gonna try to log in to my TradeAwait account. So I'm just going to hide the screen for a bit. I don't want everyone to see my credentials. Although, no, I'm gonna keep staying here on this paper trading account, because I just don't like the fact that it's in TradingView. I did mess up the last time, so anyway. Jó reggelt. And a huge applause for Zoltán. So we're going to have this fair value gap most likely by the end of the hour, which is in 10 minutes. So we can see some bullish movement, but I would like to wait until price gets back down into that BC, right down there. And look at that beautiful fair value gap down here as well. Well, partially tapped into with 1 or 2 ticks. And by the way, guys, there is a 50% discount at Top Step right now. So if you use my link, just hit the code New Year 2024 if you purchase a new Combine account. You can get a 50K account for $25. $25 you can get the 50K account, and you can get the 150K account for $75. So this is the biggest sale for now that I ever seen at Topstep, guys. This is the biggest sale right now. Just use this code. It's right here, or it's down there somewhere in the links. You can get a Topstep account for $25. I'm definitely going to buy. The discount is up until tomorrow evening. So you have technically around 48 hours-ish, less 36 hours to grab your discount. And also Apex has the sale until tonight. Yes, 75 plus activation. Yes, exactly. The activation fee is still, yeah, many hidden fees, absolutely. But you know, Apex has an activation fee as well. Apex has a monthly activation fee for $85, I think. Or you can purchase a one-time activation fee for 100 and something, maybe 100 or $120. I don't even know, because it was 2 months ago since I was funded with Apex. But Apex has the same activation fee as well, a little bit cheaper. My funded futures is the one which doesn't have activation fee, but they don't have this cheap price. They have the cheapest account is, I think, $150 or $60 for the 50K account. So anyway, you're gonna pay the same fee at the end of the day, almost at all of the prop firms. So, but the cheapest way to start right now, the cheapest way to put your feet to the cold water, or how should I say, to wet your feet, is to buy a $25 50K account from Topstep. I mean, it doesn't really get any cheaper than this to get into a challenge account. So, Ukando, good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Almost at market open. So I'm just saying, since I am trading with prop firms, this is the cheapest opportunity for you guys to start with a prop firm. I know there's an activation fee with Topstep, but right now the cheapest option with the 50% discount is you can buy a 50K Combine or challenge account for $25. You can use my link and put in the code New Year 2024. When you purchase the account, there is a coupon code that you can apply, and then you have to write this code. But please use my link if you can, or if you want to buy. But it doesn't really get any cheaper than this at Topstep. And you cannot get this cheap at Apex right now. So $25 freaking dollars. I know it's still money, but you know, it's technically no brainer for stepping into a challenge account. Anyway, I think I'm long from 70 area. Yeah, you can do so. 70 area. Yeah, as you can see on the 1 hour, we have a beautiful, yeah, $25 a bargain at Topstep. $25 is technically nothing. And you have, I mean, I know there's an activation fee, but you have a very good and very nice company backing you up. I mean, they are really honest. I mean, Apex and Topstep so far is the most honest prop firm that I have seen in the whole prop space. So really good support. $25, guys. It's technically nothing in today's world, unfortunately. Unfortunately, you cannot really buy groceries for that price in the shop, unfortunately. Well, here in Europe, for $25 in my country, I can barely buy some groceries. So okay, I'm gonna be waiting for the retracement into that 1 hour fair value gap. We still have 4 minutes for this candle to close, and technically I am willing to go long. Took 2 entries here. Nice, 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 nice. Let's see. I'm going to wait until candle close, and I'm going to put a limit order, I think. Oh, my trade away just closed. Sorry. Just a second. I have to re-log into my TradeAway here. Okay, it's cool now. I like the trade time. I will join you on that. Well, you know, there's still less than 2 minutes to go to wait for the end of this candle, but I do like this fair value gap here. It is like, well, it's 12 points or 12 handles. I'm not going to wait for it to go down to maybe 58 or 59. As soon as it goes into the fair value gap, I'm going to place my limit order. And to do that, I'm going to log into my TradeAway account, all right? Because yesterday I got the word that I'm just paper trading, so come on. I'm gonna log out from my paper trading account, and let's find TradeAway, and I am going to log into my TradeAway account. Okay. All right. Okay, I logged into TradeAway. So this is a challenge account, nothing fancy. Breaker structure, pullback to support, engulfing candle, etc. Yeah, you have everything here. It's a buffet. Okay, so the 1 hour is closing now, and what I want to do I'm putting a buy limit right there. Let's see if we get this or not. So I just put a buy limit there if we get into that bullish order block. Average long at 71. Nice, 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 nice. Oquendo is playing big. Why is it bad execution? 71 is still good. Man, my executions are the worst, I can tell you. I should practice my there, I modified it. My entry is at 65.50. If I will be tapped in. London is open, so we'll see. And I'm gonna add TP if we're gonna get tapped. Oh, I can add the TP right here. Okay. I hate this. I hate to trade on TradeAwait. I know it's not the thing that you usually hear, guys. I just don't like this platform for trading. It's great for charting. Honestly, I hate it for trading. Okay, I'm gonna put my stop loss at 41.50. So if we get triggered, oh, we're not even triggered yet, of course, because it's a limit order. Okay. So I just don't like this platform for trading. Let's see what ES is doing. So guys, don't forget there is a 50% discount at Topstep. It's a one of a kind. They don't do that usually. I can say that from experience. They don't do a 50% discount. Please, you can use my code. It's somewhere down in the links. And when you purchase the Combine, just type in the coupon code, which is New Year 2024. Use the coupon code New Year 2024. $25 for a challenge account, Combine account, sorry. That is basically the cheapest I have ever seen from Topstep. It doesn't really get any better than that. Plus, if you're a new customer, you get a 50% discount on your first reset if you have to use it. Oh my god, the train is leaving the station without me. So this is a one-of-a-kind discount, guys. One-of-a-kind discount. Okay. So far it's there. Or maybe not there. On the 15-minute, it actually took a... yeah, 49 was already discounted. So they went down to 25. I think Apex will do a 90% sale after this. It's a discount of the discount, by the way. $25 a discount of the discount. I'm definitely going to buy, maybe, I might gonna buy, not 150k now, I don't know. I'm tempted to buy at least 1 or 2 150ks, although I'm maxed out with Topstep. I might do new challenge with Topstep as well. It's hard to trade so many challenge accounts together, so that I can manage 1 or 2. All right, so anyway, let's look at the big picture while we're waiting for this trade to get tapped in. If you look at the daily, let's talk about the daily chart. And I'm gonna delete this line for now. So if you look at the daily, market structure shift happened on Tuesday. And then yesterday we dipped lower, and how interesting and how convenient, almost down to the mid threshold of this fair value gap here. Tom, you should do 50k giveaway, good for your channel. That's actually a good thing. That's actually a good thing. 50k giveaway. I might do that. I'm going to consider it for Friday, for tomorrow, because tomorrow is still a good thing for me. With I mean, I can, yeah. You know what? You know what, guys? I'm not sure, but I might try to do a giveaway. All right. I just have to figure out how should I do that, because I didn't do a giveaway before. I can do a 50k challenge account giveaway. Welcome. Camille had to bring it up. Now I have to pay the price. No, that's not a big deal. Actually, I'm gladly giving away a 25k account. Oh, a 50k account for $25. Yeah. I have to figure it out somehow, because, you know, guys, I'm just a small streamer. I don't know how could I do a flash advertisement, because by today afternoon it wouldn't be that great. Usually I see more people on the London streams, so maybe I should think about tomorrow. There's still a chance tomorrow. I have to really think about how could I pull in more people to the stream. What social media could I use, or is there an online application that I can use for the giveaway? I'm gonna look after it today. All right, guys. Just, you know, maybe I can do that tomorrow in London, or maybe in the New York session. I don't know. Most likely, as I said, the more people come in the London session for me. New York session, the stream is pretty much only a few people, only like 3 or 4 or 5. I'm a small streamer, guys. I'm not trying to be there. I'm grinding, you know. I have some content. I already have some content. I made videos. I just have to edit it. I have to upload it. Okay, anyway, I was talking about the daily. This was a daily market structure shift on Tuesday. We went lower, almost down to the mid-level or consequent encroachment or mid-threshold of this fair value gap. And notice this candle on the daily yesterday. It almost has no wick here to the upside, and it has a fair value gap here, a daily fair value gap. I would like to see this shoot all the way up. So today on the daily candle, I would be staying bullish. I would love to see the daily candle go all the way up into this, for at least to tap in to this. Yes, New York, the viewers are saturated between all of the day traders in New York session. So I'm too small fish to gain viewers in between all those great streamers who are trading. Yes, I got a feeling too that today should be a green day. If I look at the daily candles, should be a green day. And I'm looking forward for this one to tap in. Almost got into the trade, but then it didn't. London can be a nice niche. Yes, yes, yes. The only, well, not saying problem with London, I do like to be here, but the more and the better action is usually, of course, in the New York session. So it would be awesome to have more people in the New York session, but so far we are doing the graveyard shift in London. Actually, I'm doing the graveyard shift. That might be the range actually in 12-hour chart. Oh, I'm not even looking at that chart. So we're going up today, then down, and then break somewhere. Man, I'm up. You're up 1K. You should close some of that. If you're up 1K, you should close some of that. Oh, anyway, you know what? I'm not telling you what to do. It's your decision. It's your decision. If you want to hold it, that thing is gonna break. Well, let's hope. Let's hope. I'm still waiting if we're gonna go down to that 1 hour imbalance. And by the way, guys, after that I was overviewing my Discord channel. We have a few people there. Respect to them as well, but only really just a few people on my Discord. I am going to do, if we're talking about giveaway, I'm going to do Discord giveaways as well. And also I decided to lower my price on Discord because I have to admit to myself that I may have overpriced it a little bit. So right now it's $47 for a monthly membership. You know, looking at the whole content that I'm providing, I'm uploading everything there I can. I have educational material, I have webinar, I have my entry models uploaded there. I have PDF cheat sheets and sketch books for ICT traders. I have market forecasts and you know, stuff like that. I'm trying to upload content into my Discord, but I came to the realization that maybe $47 is still too much, considering that I'm just a very, very tiny small streamer, and I think I need to give more value to you guys. So I'm going to bring the price down from $47. I'm considering it to be a $10 thing. I saw that Methodical Man, he's a cool guy, he's doing the same thing. He has a $10 Discord membership, and I think it's cool, and I think I'm gonna do that. The Discord membership is not just for providing content, it's also that I want to build up my income streams. You know, I'm not doing anything else, so I'm trying to build this up as a business as well. So if I can get some of you guys to join my team and support me with the membership, I can continue to upload more and more content there, and at least we can spam out the I mean, we can filter out some scammers if someone comes in as a scammer, and yeah, I think that's my goal there. So I'm gonna let you guys know when I lower the price. Short from 581, trying to reach down to the FVG. Short from 81. Okay, then you are in the green. You're in the green. Nice. Let's go down to the 5 minute. Okay, maybe we will reach down, I don't know. Actually, you have a chance for it because well, there is a bearish order block, and yeah, so far a bearish order block on the 5 minute. I can show you here. Right, this bearish order block goes into liquidity. You didn't lock anything. You can still lock in some. I think you were up. You were from 71. You can still take some of that. So you were not stopped out. So you should be in the green if your average entry is from 71. You can also take the whole trade off. Okay. Anyway, bearish order block pokes into a high, and then boom. So let's see how it goes. Zoltan is short from 81, almost 10 points in profit, and I think it's a good target for you to tap into the fair value gap. I don't know how many contracts you do or how you do it. If you have multiple contracts, I should take some off. If I were you, I would take some off at 66 ish, and then maybe wait until we get down into 60 or 55 area. There is a small order block on the 5 minute here, bullish order block here. So that can be also a potential target if you are short. If you are short. Actually, I'm tempted to jump in as well. It's almost 10 points. I missed the train. I missed it. Great entry, Zoltan. Nice. I should have used this order block to get back into the fair value gap. Look at that reaction. It's almost textbook reaction from this 5 minute order block, and look at that. It should go down into 65 in my opinion. Of course, I could be wrong. So I'm just sitting here. Yeah, nice, Zoltan. The winner of today is Zoltan. Applause. I am 80% confident that we should be dipping down lower into this fair value gap. I'm 80% confident. And by the way, guys, if anyone is new here, don't forget, it's a one-of-a-kind sale at Topstep. You won't have this for, I think, for quite a long time. It's a discount of the discount, technically 50% discount right now from the actual price, which means you can get a 50K account for $25 plus activation fee if you pass the challenge. But for now, you can get a challenge account for $25. That is basically a no-brainer. $25, guys. Took partials. Nice one. Nice. So please use my link if you can help out the stream. I'm an affiliate to Topstep, and you know, a few dollars here and there can help out. And please use my link. There is the tracking link, and use my code New Year 2024 if you want to purchase a Topstep account. You have to apply for the code when you add your payment details or whatever. There's a link where you can apply for that. So huge sale, guys. I never seen this one. Can I buy 5 accounts? Yes, I think you can. I'm not sure. Let me check the email, because I do have an email. Good question. Oh my god, the best question here. I should have been more prepared for this. Hold on. Let me check the email. New Year. Yeah, how about New Year? You want to make sure that everyone who wants to start the New Year off, lock in a new membership. It says a new membership for as low as 25. Well, you can try it out. You know, be sure to hit apply. Discount before processing. Refunds will not be given. Blah blah blah. Subscription renews automatically. Yeah, so it's only for the first month. It's very important. It's only for the first month. After the first month, you'll be charged with the regular price if you don't pass the challenge. It doesn't say anything about that, but you know what? You can try it out. You buy one, and you just try it out. If you can buy a new one, I want to buy at least 2 or 3 accounts if that's the case, because I still have 2 challenge accounts at Topstep, so. You can have 3 XFAs, but you can have unlimited challenge accounts or combines. You can have unlimited combine accounts. You can have 100 combine accounts. If you pass like 10 combine accounts, you can also activate them. I asked specifically support about that. If you have more than 3 combine accounts passed, you can still activate them and pay the activation fee, and Topstep is going to put those accounts aside, and you're not going to lose those combine accounts due to the lack of activation. So, or you know, they just put those accounts aside of you or for you, and if you blow a challenge account, then they're just going to add it to your active portfolio. So you can do as many combine accounts as you want. I asked it specifically, and they said you can do unlimited combines and unlimited activations. The main rule is that you can only have 3 active funded accounts. I have 3 funded accounts, but I'm only trading, by the way, 1 funded account, because I don't want to copy trade them, because if I have a losing streak, which can happen to any one of us, if you have a losing streak, you have a much higher chance that you're going to blow all your funded accounts, and just because you were greedy. And I'm not greedy. I'm perfectly fine with 1 funded account, and I don't want to offend anyone. Most some guys are copy trading 10 or 20 accounts, which is great, but let's just talk about the copy trading, because I know many guys are trading, for example, 10 Apex accounts at once, and you have a copy trader software, but you're trading, for example, 1 contract on a 50K account, and you're copy trading. There is going to be a lag. There is going to be a lag from the first master or leading account to I mean, amongst the secondary accounts. Yes, risk versus reward. So there's going to be a lag. If you're using one software to copy all those trades, especially if you're trading NQ, which moves quite intensely in the New York session, and you're trading one contract, trust me, guys, that at least a few of those 10 accounts that you're copy trading are going to be lagging. The take profit, the market execution, and the slippage, so they're not going to be the same. So I've seen that on streams. I've seen that also on Naughty Bar, and I have huge respect for them, but I saw that on many streamers who are trading or copy trading 10 accounts, and I don't see the real goal, because one account makes $150 profit, and you will still going to have an account which is down in the negative. So one account from the copy trade is going to be up $120, for example, from one mini contract or maybe two mini contracts. And because of the lag and the execution, the slowness of the execution, you might end up having one or two accounts or more accounts to be in the negative. The same trade is going to be in the minus. And I think that's just too much to throw out on the window, because the copy trading software is going to lag. So many factors: your computer, your internet speed, the software itself, the server, the trading server itself. So that's many milliseconds if you count it together. And I just don't think that it's worth it to copy trade 10 accounts or 5 accounts. I'm not the fan of it, but again, if someone is doing it, huge respect, and you know, I wish all the luck. I'm just not a fan of it. I don't want to make negative profit because the software and the server and the execution is lagging. That's all. That's my... Thank you so much for being... I see 22 people right now. Thank you for being here. Please push the like button, subscribe to the channel, and there's a huge discount, guys, at TopStep if you use my link. Just use my link if you can. Please support the channel with a few bucks here and there, and just push... I mean, when you apply for the new account, there's a coupon code section. Just type in New Year 2024. This is the discount of the discount at TopStep, and it's only until tomorrow evening, so go for it. And there's going to be a giveaway tomorrow. Most likely I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm not promising it yet, so I have to state that. I don't know how I'm going to do that. A 50K account, maybe. And I want to do a Discord membership giveaway as well. Right, and I'm going to lower the price for my Discord, because right now I understand it's too high. But we have a few people there. We have a few members there. But I had to reconsider the whole thing with my Discord. But you can use my links. There's still a sale up until tonight, today evening or tonight, in Eastern Standard Time, I think. I mean, anyway, there's a sale at Apex 2, 80% right now at Apex. If you want to use my code, that would be greatly appreciated. And you know, guys, if you just want to keep up to date with me, you're welcome. Just subscribe to the channel, and please push the like button. It would mean so much to me, and that would really help out the stream, because I'm just a small fish and I'm not making a living just yet from trading. I pulled out some money, and I'm gonna be honest with you. You guys want me to show you how much money I pulled out from TopStep last year? I'm gonna be honest with you, because this is transparency. I just got my email from TopStep yesterday. This is how much money I pulled out from TopStep. I'm gonna prove to you guys. There you go. Last year I pulled out $4,175 from TopStep. That's all I pulled out. Transparency for you guys. I mostly traded NQ, And I started with Top Step in September, I think, or I think it was September. I started the Top Step in September, and as you can see, I traded 105 days. And yeah, so I started, I traded 105 days. I started off with September with Top Step, and last year I made $4,175 with them. So my stats are not that good. My winning trade percentage with Top Step is 54%. So I made a few trades, as you can see. And this is not enough for me to make a living. I pulled out money, of course, but this is just not enough. And of course, I did spend some money on Combine accounts. So thank you, Zoltan. And thank you, Ricardo. Thank you so much. And guys, I'm not a Lambo guru. I'm just trying to pay my bills. This is the only thing I do. This is the only thing. I don't have a job. This is my only stream of not only stream. I have an affiliate link. That's why I'm promoting all this stuff. My YouTube is not providing any revenue at this point, but I hope I will get there. I'm trying to build this up as a business, and I want to prove to you guys. And by the way, there's a great story. I want to tell you something. I was listening to one of... Oh, somebody subscribed. Ricardo, thank you so much for the sub. And huge applause to Ricardo and everyone who is here. So I want to tell you a story. I was listening to one of ICT's Twitter spaces in my car while I was driving yesterday, and I was listening to a Twitter space, and he said a great thing that I loved really much. So listen to this. For example, at Top Step, you can trade 15 contracts, 15 mini contracts, right? Why do you want to do that? That's the first question. It's the same thing like if you have a Lamborghini or a Ferrari or whatever, you have a sports car, you have a Lamborghini that can go with 200 miles. I don't even know how much. I'm thinking in kilometers. You can go with 300 kilometers per hour. You have 700 horsepowers. You have 1,000 horsepowers with a supercar. What do you really going to use that 700 horsepowers or 1,000 horsepowers while you're driving in your neighborhood? Because you can do so. You can push the pedal all the way down to the floor, and most likely you have a high chance that you're going to hit the wall and you're gonna die. That's the high chance. So why do that? I love sports cars as well, but even if I would have a 1,000 horsepower car, I would be an idiot to drive it with 300 kilometers per hour or push the pedal to the floor. Now the same thing goes on, and the prop firms are smart. The same thing goes on with prop firms. They give you 15 contracts. Apex gives you 20 contracts, mini contracts, not micros. You can trade all of that leverage. You can push the pedal to the floor like full throttle. You can do that. And for what? Most likely the same thing is going to happen with you. Honestly, the smart traders, and I'm not considering myself smart, I just burn myself so many times that I really burn myself so many times that suddenly I realized what to do. Oh, thank you, DJ subscribe. Thank you so much for the sub. So I would say the smart traders, and I'm going to do that as well. By the way, I'm going to request Top Step to remove the ability for me to trade more than 2 mini contracts. That's going to be the maximum for me. We got tapped into the trade, by the way. I'm going to put stop loss. Just give me a minute. I have to explain this. So I don't need, even if I have a 150K account, which I have because I'm fully funded, I don't need 50 mini contracts. I know, I'm not going to name the guy. I know a streamer. He has a great show on YouTube. I think he's a great guy. He puts on a show, really. But he goes in with 15 contracts. 15 contracts at Top Step. 10 to 15 contracts. Man, that's huge. I mean, going in with 10 or 15 contracts at market open, I'm no offense to anyone, but that's gambling. So I'm perfectly fine if I can trade up to maximum 2 mini contracts, or I could, you know, divide it down to, for example, I would love to trade with 10 micros. Unfortunately, the only downside at Topstep right now is that you cannot trade more than, for example, if you start out with a 50K funded account, the maximum you can trade with is 2 micros or 2 minis. But that's stupid. If you can trade 2 micros, why can't you trade with, for example, 5 or 10? If you can trade up to with 2 minis, why can't you trade with 5 or 10 micros? That would give you a much better risk management opportunity. For example, you could take more partials. You can size your risk much better. But anyway, it would be great. So that's the only downside on Topstep. Otherwise, it's a great company, and don't forget there's a discount. So basically what I meant to say, trading with 15 contracts is the same if you're having a Lamborghini and you're pushing to the gas pedal to the limit and driving all day with 300 kilometers per hour. You're gonna hit the wall and you're gonna die sooner or later. So I just don't see, and the prop firms know that. Prop firms know that you want to revenge trade. Prop firms know that you want to take a revenge. And of course, they are making money on you while you're losing those accounts. This is deep psychology. Anyway, I have to put some stop loss to this trade, right? So where should I put my stop? I'm gonna put my stop to, remember, always use a stop. I'm gonna put my stop to around 44-ish. Yeah, somewhere here. That's my stop right there. And trade profit wise, and this is only with one contract, so I can't really do anything else, but let's go for the 1 to 2 risk reward. At least just try to. I'm technically bullish for the whole day, so I'm going to aim for big. I'm gonna put it to somewhere here, right there. That's gonna be my target for now. Gabriel, what your entry and stop loss? Well, you can see it right here. My entry is at 565.50. My stop loss is 44.50. And I'm looking to take profit up here. I might going to move my stop if this would break higher. You're in red now? I thought you took profit there, Ukando. So if this would trade above this level, if we would break above here, I would move my stop. I would move my stop, maybe not to break even, but I would move my stop somewhere around this swing. This doesn't mean that this is a surefire trade. I'm risking too much already, because this is me risking $400 of profit. This is a challenge account. It's not a live account. I'm not trading my funded account on my stream. At least not for now, and not in the London session. So I'm only doing it on a challenge account. This is a Topstep challenge account. And this is 150K, so that's why I'm risking so much. Stupid expectations were in my brain, you know. Well, don't worry about it. I think you can still, we still have the chance for this one to drive higher, and the main reason is the 1 hour, the 1 hour time frame. Beautiful market structure shift on the 1 hour here. Nice fair value gap. We already went down and repriced almost to the mid level of the daily fair value gap, which is from the 12th of December. And if we look at the daily chart, yesterday's candle almost have no wick there, and there's also a market structure shift to the downside. So I would love to see the whole day end up in the green. I would really love to see today's daily candle end up in the green, which means we should be buying around this area, and that's what I'm looking for. Actually, that's what I did. And yeah, why not? You know, why not? So anyway, don't forget that today and tomorrow is a huge sale at Topstep, and use the discount code with my link if you can. And there is also, the sale is ending today with Apex, guys. Today is the last day for the 80% discount. 50% Maximus, let's see, 50% off weekly as well. The weekly chart. Oh yeah, totally forgot Maximus is right. Let's just measure the mid threshold of the fair value gap. I'm just curious, so I think Maximus is gonna be 100% right here. So yeah, oh, look at that, the mid threshold. The weekly candle stopped right around this mid threshold area. What do you know? What do you know? The entry is basically almost right there. So yeah, good point, Maximus. Yeah. Thank you. Guys, I see 31 viewers. I never had 31 viewers in my stream. Never, ever. So huge applause, guys. I never had 31 viewers. That's what I see from my end in my OBS. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. I never had so many viewers in my stream. I'm a little bit excited, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little bit excited. I'm more excited by the stream than by the trade itself. So thank you, guys. If you like what you see, and not my face because I'm still sleepy. If you like what I trade or what I talk gibberish, then please subscribe and, you know, push the like button. And if you want to help out the stream, use my discount codes. There are links below. And while I just showed you guys that I only made $4,000 last year from Topstep, I started with them at September. I made 105 trading days. Actually, maybe I started at August, I'm not sure. I made 105 trading days with them. I'm still not making a living from Topstep, so I'm not the Topstep guru or a futures guru or whatever. You can help out the stream if you want to. Oh, Aaron, yeah, well, I think it's, I mean, I humbly would like to thank everyone for being here, and by just being here with me, you're supporting the journey. And this month, I'm not expecting any payout from Topstep because December I gave back mostly all my profits on my funded accounts, and I don't want to force it too much, so I'm not really expecting payouts. I hope there will be, but this is the only thing I do. As I said it many times, I don't do anything else, so that's why I'm doing the affiliate promotions. Or if you would like to, you know, and by the way, my Discord is gonna be cheaper. I just said it, so sorry guys. It's now saying it's a $47 monthly fee, but I'm gonna bring it down to $10. I realized I just started it recently, so I wasn't really focused on the price range on the Discord membership, but I do have a few members there. And I uploaded my exact entry model. I uploaded educational materials for in terms of PDF formats, cheat sheets, smart money concepts, stuff like that to my Discord channel, weekly forecasts, my private webinars, account details and stuff like that. So I'm trying to upload more and more content to my Discord, and I'm gonna bring it down from $47 to around $10, and I'm gonna do a giveaway tomorrow. So if you guys would join me tomorrow, there's going to be a giveaway on tomorrow's London stream. So hopefully our Discord membership is going to flourish as well. So guys, the giveaway time tomorrow, and I'm gonna bring the price down after that, and hopefully by time it can support me as well through the journey. And I'm trying my best to upload more and more content there. So okay, that was the commercial. I had to say that. That I have a blog as well at tomsabo.biz. Sometimes I put on some articles there about trading and risk management, and there's going to be new content on the channel as well, trading and life related stuff. JX, good morning. Look at JX, look at what's happening. I have so many viewers. On average, I don't really see these many people watching, and I'm so happy. So thank you. I think JX, these viewers came from Methodical Man, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, I'm in a long position, guys. Overall, I'm bullish for the day, which doesn't mean that it's not gonna just, you know, go down to the pit. But so far, this is a trade I took. Oh well, I'm really excited to see that people are interested of what I'm talking about and what I'm trading. I just showed I got my my email from TopStep that last year I made this 4,175. Good morning, DJ. Good morning. Thank you for subscribing, DJ. So I'm very proud. I just got this email 10 hours ago, and so I made overall a little bit of 4,000 since September or end of August, which is not bad. But I do have to tell you, I did spend, you know, overall I think I've spent a lot on challenge accounts and activation fees. So if we are doing the whole thing like a net of this, I wouldn't say I'm profitable. So it looks good, but nobody talks about. You're from Methodical Man. Yeah, DJ, so good to see you guys. So if you look at this number, don't be blindfolded. It's not, it wasn't simple like I just paid for a combine and an activation fee and I just pulled out 4,000. No. The honest truth, guys, and you know, transparency is the keyword. I can tell you that I spent nearly as this amount of money. I think I've spent $3,000 to $4,000 on combine accounts and activation fees. So this amount here is basically just learning money, guys. It's a cost of education. Yeah, there you go, JX. Try doing some giveaways on stream like Epini and Method. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I just decided I'm gonna do 50k account giveaway from TopStep. I don't know how to do that actually, and I'm gonna do Discord membership giveaways. I'm gonna lower my price. So this money right here that you can see, this is not pure profit. I spent nearly this amount of money on challenges and activation fees. So maybe I can say that I didn't do the exact numbers yet, but so far I think I'm around break even from TopStep. I'm around break even. So this is the cost of business. JX said it right. This is the cost of business. This is the cost of education. So I'm not making money from my YouTube. I'm not really making money. I'm just got to break even with TopStep. So guys, if you're rich, there's the link below. I really have to pay bills this month as well. So I don't want to beg, but I do. I really, guys, spare me. I most likely I'm not going to hit the bank this month, but I try to do my best. This trade is not looking good, to be honest. Not looking good. You should see the amount some doctors and lawyers spend, especially in the US, to go through university. Yeah, of course, here in my country as well. So, for example, as a doctor, you go through university, and by the time you get to practice medicine, it's 10 years from the start of university. You spend tens of thousands of dollars, or even more, $100,000. And finally, after 10 years, you get to make money from your practice. And that's a doctor or a lawyer. Yeah, I saw that. Methodical Man also talked about that he also spent quite a chunk of money on evaluations. Dono, good morning. I just decided, yeah, I will trade New York session. I want to gather more people into New York. Naughty Bar as well. Yes, Naughty Bar as well. Asia lows are still down there. Yes, that's what I'm afraid of. Asia lows are still down there. But it was looking so good on the 1 hour. It was looking so tempting, guys. If you're curious what my analogy here is, the 1 hour. Go to the 1 hour chart and look at this beautiful market structure shift. That's why I took the trade, basically. So, yeah. I rest my case. So yeah, guys, I would be super glad if you guys could join me in the New York streams as well. I know there, as Zoltan said, viewers are pretty much saturated in the New York streams amongst many other future traders. But if you like to chat with me here, and then you know, the Methodical Man is here. Oh my god. I just realized this Methodical Man. I wasn't reading your name there because I was reading Asia Loser. I didn't realize that it's Methodical Man. Guys, huge applause. And I would just want to say that search for Methodical Man's YouTube channel. He has a YouTube channel. He streams London and mostly New York. And I think some of you guys, or most of you guys, came from his stream. But if someone is not from his stream, check out his channel. He's doing some great trading in the New York session as well. I think he was just a little bit sleepy this morning. But he's a great guy. Check his stream. Search for Methodical Man's YouTube stream. So what were you guys writing? Yeah, weren't you in bed? Got sick? Oh, you should rest. Just watching the market through Tom. Yeah, well, my wife would be smacking me upside the head. He is sick. Oh, yeah. Well, I wish you a speedy recovery, Methodical Man. I think since the time Methodical Man gave me a few shoutouts in his stream, I saw quite a few people subscribing suddenly to my channel, and that was really great. So, so thank you so much for that. So I just blew my account because of that trade. Very bad. You just blew your account? Dude, I don't want to be Captain Obvious, but you were up, dude. You were up in 80. I suppose you were taking multiple contracts. Why didn't you take off some contracts there? Some partials at least. That's what I was talking about, the Lamborghini. You know, you can trade multiple mini contracts. Why are you doing it? You should be good with one contract, and I'm not going to praise ICT right here. But you should be profitable with 1 or maximum 2 mini contracts. Actually, if I could trade 5 or 10 micros, which I can, of course, on the challenge account, but you know, this is a challenge account, I have to speed things up. But if I could trade 5 to 10 micros at Topstep, I would only do micros, but I'm forced to trade minis, at least 1. So Ukando, imaginary butterflies were in your head. Yeah, it was. Okay, so now you can buy one for discount. Use my link. Oh, I have no audio now in the meeting. Somehow we have to. I thought that we might tag that VWAP average more and more than ended up with 5 contracts. Dude, that's what I'm talking about. You took 5 contracts, just didn't survive. Yeah. Find my short box closed. No worries, Ukando. Yeah. Evals can be more aggressive. Evals, you can take an evaluation a little bit more aggressively. That's fine. I'm doing it too. But yeah. So guys, time for a commercial. It's a sale at Apex and Topstep too. Today there's the last day for Apex, 80% sale. You can use my code, but the biggest sale right now is at Topstep, 50% discount. You know, Friday's NFP. Yeah. I took the shirt off. And and took profit at the FVG to get back to break even. Oh, guys, honestly, I'm a little bit confused about this trade right now. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit confused. I'm starting to think to close this one. I don't like how it goes. I think it might want to go down and sweep the lows right there. Considering to close it, it's dropping sharply. So I just want to limit my risk here. If it trades below the midnight level, I might just close it manually and save a few bucks. Today could be tricky, man. I have to consider to close my trade right now manually. I might not want to wait for it to hit my stop loss. What is ES doing? Oh, look at ES. Just checking ES. What the hell is going on here? Oh. To be honest, ES might be tapping into this fair value gap. I think we have it right here on the 1 hour. Look at that. Went up, still didn't go into because this is the one that's pulling NQ down, unfortunately. I think ES is the one that wants to betray us. ES is the one that is pulling down NQ, most likely. I don't like this. Unfortunately, we're gonna trade into this fair value gap too, and our stop is gonna be so close. I have to close this trade down, I think. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna wait to see what the candle is going to act up here. But as far as I can see, I have to close it. Okay, I'm gonna close this down. Closed it manually. $284 loss on this one. I had to cut it. It was looking good on the 1 hour. I just had to cut it. This is a challenge account, so not that big a deal. Buy more. I'm gonna wait for now with this one. And ES is technically, by the way, I also trade ES, just not that often, so I'm looking to go long on ES. Actually, you know what? I might go long. SH4. I might consider to go long on ES with one contract. I do like this place here on the 1 hour. There. I just bought one. Same scenario. I was watching it on my other screen. I know you guys don't trade ES, but I would really love to see this one go higher. Even NQ can change its mind right now. But Ukando is back. Ukando, sorry for what happened. Damn it. I'm already down $75 with ES. What the hell is going on? I thought that it's gonna, you know, tap into that and then it's gonna go. How these funded accounts work? Well, it's not that difficult actually. You have to pass, for example, you buy a 50K account at TopStep, for example, and you have to make $3,000 profit on the account, which means there are some rules that you have to apply for. For example, you cannot lose more than $1,000 a day on a 50K account, and your overall loss throughout the days cannot exceed $2,500. There is a trailing stop. I'm not going to go into all the details right now, but basically you have to reach your profit target, which is $3,000 on a 50K account. So you have to push the account up to $53,000, and when you're finished, you passed the challenge or combine or evaluation. Every prop firm calls it differently, but then you passed phase 1, and that's the only phase you have to pass at TopStep. Thank you, Zoltan, for being here. See you tomorrow, hopefully. Yeah, thank you. Have a great day. So you have to pass the challenge, and when you finished, you get a so-called funded account, which is still just a simulated demo account, because all these accounts are demo accounts. But you can continue to trade as if it was a $50,000 account. You have the same rules. You cannot lose more than $1,000 a day or $2,500 throughout the days. And you can keep 50% of the profits. Actually, you can. I'm getting myself into complicated explanations here. If you have 5 winning days above $200, then you can pull out 50% of the profits. And after 30 days, you can pull out 100% of the profits from the account. After 30 winning days, not just single days, after 30 winning days, which are above $200, you can pull out all the profit. And the first $10,000, you can get 100%. And over that, you have a 90% profit split, which goes 90% to you and 10% to the company. Each funding company has different rules. I'm talking about TopStep right now. TopStep has this 50% rule. that you can also only pull out 50% of your profits until you reach 30 days. But it's not that bad that it, I mean, I know that other prop firms are saying that you can pull out 80%, 90% and stuff like that, but actually it's not that bad as you think about it. I'm talking, every prop firm has different payout rules. So, but the main thing is you have to build up your account, you have to trade wisely, you have to reach your profit targets, and that's it. Basically, they give you a demo account. All of the prop firms are giving you a demo account that you have to pull up to the certain profit target without violating the rules. That's it. Others like Trade Day have no withdrawal limitations. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna close this trade as well. It was just, I thought it's gonna go. I'm closing it. Damn it. The silver bullet hour has ended, and I'm not comfortable taking along here on NQ. I'm definitely not comfortable taking a trade here on NQ, although I'm tempted. But do we have a structure shift on the 5 minutes somewhere? No. Well, technically yes, maybe. Look at that. The low of this 66.50, close 67. Well, technically we had a structure shift here, so it was good for a short, and I didn't see that. Look at that. This was a good short opportunity. Stop all the way up there. Even for a 1-to-1 it was perfect, but for a 1-to-2 you're still in play. So that was a good opportunity and I missed that. But my bias was up, so London session could be tricky. And by the way, I know I was saying that I'm not going to, but I am testing out an indicator system altogether with, I mean, in conjunction with ICT Concepts. So it's on MetaTrader. So now, excuse me, I'm still sleepy. So now I'm testing it with FTMO. Actually, I can bring it up, I think. MetaTrader 4. Oh my god, this is a FTMO account, and it's a demo FTMO account, and this is the indicators that I'm looking at. So as you can see, oh my god, it's quite interesting, I know, and it looks like crazy, but this is an indicator that right now I'm testing, but only with ICT Concepts. I was trading Bitcoin a little bit with this one. So this is an FTMO account. Overall, I'm having good results. I'm up $1,400, and by only risking maximum 0.5%. So far it's looking good, but I'm only taking trades when it's aligning with ICT Concepts. So far so good. Interesting indicator. Wonder if FTM will start futures. I think they will. It's not a surefire thing. Yeah, I trade one asset. I trade NQ most likely. I don't know why I took the trade on ES this morning, but again, this is a challenge account. I'm not taking the trade on my funded accounts. Yeah, a bit too frequent. I'm sorry about the Streamlabs. I'm gonna do the timer. I'm gonna refine the timer, guys. It's only because I had only I had less people in the chat before. And And I think I have to refine the Streamlabs chatbot because it has like, let me, Streamlabs. I'm gonna go into my Streamlabs timers. I'm not good in this, so I just let's see the timers. I can show you guys. Help me set up this thing. I don't know how it works. These are my timers. Interval 11 minutes, 16 minutes, 20 minutes. These are my codes, you know, and the current discounts that are running. 12 minutes, and the line minimum is 2. I think this is what I have to top up, the line minimum, right? That's why you took the trades. Yeah, exactly. Arrow Music knows why. So I do have to modify these. So the line minimum would be, for example, let's go with 4. Can I do that? 4. Go with 4 here as well. Let's see what it does. Let's go with 4. Yeah, I don't know. I can't figure out the proper timing for this chatbot, so I'm sorry if it's spamming the chat too much. Now I'm limiting the lines. I mean, I'm putting everything to at least 4 new lines on the chat. So now it should be better right now. Interval should be higher. Yeah, but is okay, yeah. 80% of Apex. Let's put it to, for example, 15. Okay. That's fine. Apex code. Let's put the Apex code up to, let's put it to 15 as well. Oh, look at that. It's already spam. It's already spamming. I don't know what it does, guys. I don't know. I will try to refine it. Sorry. Oh, look at the NQ trade. Oh my god. I do feel the FOMO. Again, this is a challenge account. I am not taking these trades on my funded accounts. So sorry for the spamming from Streamlabs. This is just a simple timer. This is not an AI. So I think it happens when I reset, right? Okay, I'm not gonna touch it for now. It's more than enough. I spammed you guys with my stream bot. Next time we'll see. I will try to refine it. For now it's good. I'm not going to touch it for now. Okay, so what could be the target? Today's, it seems like this 1 hour gap might want to give up. So I don't know if I should trust this. It feels bearish again now that I look at the 1 hour and just don't like it. Maybe we can continue to fall. We have fair value gaps down here as well, so you know, I don't know. I closed manually here and it started to go back up. How awesome is that, right? So this is exactly one other thing that we have to discuss, guys. Yeah, AI is going to say timer my ass. and so this is exactly one of the things that screws up my mind. And this is that you close the trade manually because you think it's just gonna drop through here, and then it turns around and goes to your original target. Now this is the biggest, one of the biggest frustrations. And you know what? Because this is just a challenge account, F this, I'm gonna jump into the trade again. There you go. I don't care. This is a challenge account and I couldn't care less. Of course I should. What am I saying? I should care. Oh man. It would have not hit my stop loss. So it messes up my whole thing. It messes up my whole thinking process. I close it manually, then it goes back up again, and now it's just gonna go down again. I'm getting full tilt, guys. Here. On stream. Now it will drop. You know why it will drop? I'm gonna tell you why. Because we have a bearish fair value gap here on the 5 minute. Fair value gap, come on, man. A bearish order block here, right here, at 566. All right. All right. All right. I'm not gonna do more stupid things. I'm just gonna exit this trade. There. Closed it. No more stupidness. Let's wait. I exited with break even. Not even a loss from the commission. So right here at 66.25 is a bearish order block. And since we made the market structure shift, you know what? I'm gonna put a limit order there. I'm gonna put it right at 66. There. And this is not because of... Yeah, it goes up. I hope it goes up because then I want to go short on this order block. Took this liquidity. Ah, no. Forget it. No, I'm not doing it. Futures is not as manipulated, yeah. At least not as much. Anyway, this London session is already messed up, so I took an L. I hope I did right. If it wants to drop from here, then I would say, okay, I did it right. The only thing I regret is jumping into an ES buy. That's it. Otherwise, so far, overall, with this long trade that I closed it manually down here, I accepted it. So I accepted that. That small ES trade that I lost $100 or something. That's all right. If it goes here, now let's see the 3 minute. No, 15 minute. Almost. It goes up to the 66 for now. The thing is that on the daily, I am still technically bullish. So, and as ICT says, you know, you always have to consider the daily bias. You're aiming for 15,935. Okay. Nice. Nice. Well, we can still drop, that's for sure. And if we're gonna drop, I would say that I did right to close manually and you know, limit my loss a little bit there. Anyway, actually, I'm curious about, is this an order block? Because if it is, and it's a totally new plan, Are we going to sweep the Asia lows? Paper center, but still important in terms of bias and trade management. Yeah. Exactly. Oh, look at that. We went into 69. Disregarding this, I think it's gonna break through the order block. Maybe we get the reaction now from this 1 hour fair value gap. It's looking to push higher. Oh, damn. Now I have a huge FOMO, guys. And this is why I know I should stop trading for the London session. Oh, man. On a PA, I'd likely close at +5. Yeah, really? +5,000. Wow. That's cool. That's awesome, man. All right. So I'm gonna lower down the price on my Discord. Don't worry about that, chat. I have a few members there. They might gonna piss off on me, but I really want to shake up the Discord space there. And man, look at this thing. It's going up. I'm not entering now. I'm just gonna leave it at. Overall, it feels good that at least the analysis so far worked out. If it's breaking higher, we have a nice target up here at 689, 88-ish level. We have all these wicks here, which a little bit concerns me. That can give us a high resistance level. If we get through these wicks, then you know we're definitely going for the 689-ish fair value gap. We just have to get through these wicks. I'm not taking more trades. I'm going to focus on the New York session. I would be glad if some of you guys would join me on New York session. So make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. I did a bad thing. I closed down this manually. And so someone said to me, and actually many people said to me who are better traders than me, that, you know, if you set your stop loss wherever you put that, then you just have to let it play out. Even Mark Douglas says it in Trading in the Zone. When you set your stop loss, your first initial stop loss, and your take profit, you accept the outcome. Let it be a stop or let it be a take profit. From that second on, you put on the trade with the stop and the take profit. You have to accept the outcome. I did not accept the outcome. I closed it manually, and look at what happened. I would be in profit by now. I would be in 12 points profit. And this really frustrates me. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. This is really frustrating. And this is another example, and I hope you guys learned something from this. I know I did. Another lesson, at least. So I'm thankful for the lesson again. That if I put a stop loss somewhere here. Exactly, JX. So if I'm putting my stop, I have to accept the outcome. That's it. As soon as you start to manipulate your trade and, you know, start to, you know, modify your stop loss, start to modify your take profit and stuff like that, yeah, then you know, that's where your mind, your focus, and your whole trading plan is going to the dumpster. Because if this one would hit my stop loss down here, then I would just walk away like, hey, I did my best. I did everything by my trading plan. I did not deviate from the plan. And I hit the stop loss. But now, I got confused and I talked myself out of the trade. And if I would have just sit on my hand and waited, this trade would be in the green. Of course, it can just turn around like in a second and drop down again, but still. The behavior, the psychological aspect or the mental aspect while I was managing the trade was bad. Because sitting on your hands and not touching your trade is also managing the trade. And I did that wrong. It was very, very wrong from me. Even if it drops down now, I'm still regretting that I would still regret that I exited this here at manually. Even if it drops from here. And entering here to a buy position would only mess up my mind even bigger. My original entry, I think it was around 66. So one thing I could do, I can place a limit order if it goes down here and pretend that nothing happened and I'm still in my trade. So let's see if it does that. That's the only thing I can do right now. Hold on, it's not even my original entry. I'm gonna leave it that. Don't. Just take it as a lesson. You know, the only exception, and I'm not talking myself out of this, the only exception would be at this point that you can make up for your trade that you messed up is if you put your limit order, not a market order, at some crazy point. If you put your trade back on to the point where you entered originally. Because in that scenario, I would consider that as a second chance. Because we're still not broke higher than this level here. So that level still hasn't been broken. If this would have broken this level higher, I would not be putting this buy limit order back in. But since we're still hovering here, this is the only thing, and I think I'm gonna do a video about that. Let me just write it down. I have to write it down. I have to write it down. Second chance. Second chances in trading. This could have been a second chance if it spikes down, triggers my limit order, then you know we can pretend like nothing happened, right? Maybe. What the hell am I talking, man? I shouldn't do that. Of course there's something happening because I already suffered the loss here, so we cannot undo the loss. The concept that me having a loss down here by closing it manually, it's not gonna undo everything, so. Yeah, I see. There's always another trade, but it's not necessarily going to be soon or immediate. Remember what I said yesterday about looking at your results weekly, quarterly? Yes. You know what, guys? I think you're right. And I think I'm just gonna cut this. Stream because I'm not gonna put on more trades. I'm gonna be coming back in the New York session. One loss for me, actually two, with the ES, but still limited my loss. I think that's it, guys. I think that's it. Silver Bullet Hour is over. Kill Zone is almost over. So thank you so much for being here. Please subscribe to the channel. I enjoyed it so much that we were having so many viewers. Thank you for everyone. I'm not gonna name everyone specifically, but special thanks for everyone. What I have found is important and the most difficult to stand by and respect your rules. Definitely, definitely. You still don't? Well, as you can see, I still don't as well. So thank you for everyone being here. It was great. It was a great experience having so many viewers. See you guys hopefully in the New York session. If someone wants to join, please do hit the like and the subscribe button. Use the discount, you know, huge sale today and tomorrow. Grab it if you can, because this is the cheapest sale at Top Step right now. All right, so cheers everyone, and see you guys soon. All right, so have a good one. Cheers.